Alright, so next on the agenda is we have to drain the coolant out of this thing so we can get the radiator assembly out of here. And it's my faithful dog. And it's pretty easy to do. There's the lower radiator hose, there's a steel tube right here, and you got a little bit of a petcock there that you can you know, drain it. And all I really have is these 2-liter bottles. So let's get on it. Doggone it, that's a lot of coolant. Alright, next we're going to start working on the hoses. Can't really find a good way to prop this camera up, but you know, it's just lower radiator hose, so you guys know what that's all about. Those of you that are curious is where the drain cock is for the drain the system. That's the lower radiator hose. Now this is on a Kenworth T660 2012, so I mean, you might have it in a different location if you got a Pete or something like that, but that's where they're at on this one. See, there ain't really nothing to it but to do it. So that's done. Let's work our way up top. Alright, well, up top here you got this lower coolant hose in the recovery tank. You got to pull that bad boy out. Already done that. I already took this stabilizer bar off the radiator stay, and next I'm going to start working on these brackets right here that hold the fan shroud in there. So I'll be back in a second. Alright, I got all the hoses off. We've got the lower hose. Oh, forgot this one here. I'll get that one off in a second. Got the lower radiator hose off. Got the recovery tank off. Got the charge air cooler off on both sides. Got the upper radiator hose off. There's a little wire down there you got to disconnect. Got the air conditioner condenser lines disconnected, and the 2 bolts that are in the bottom there are unbolted, and now we can just pull this whole thing out as an assembly. Alright, here we go. Alright, I got the tractor hooked up to the radiator, and we're going to go ahead and see if we can't pull this thing out of here and then take it on over to the container and put it away for now. Let's give it a shot. Just like butter. Remember that hose I said I forgot? Boop, there it is. Still forgot it. That's a good thing that was just a push hose. Push on. It slipped on, it came off pretty easy. I was able to twist it. I just forgot to jump up there and take it off. Now we're just going to head on over to the container here and go ahead and put that radiator in there, and then it's kind of a bear to manhandle, but yeah, we got her done. Well, I got the radiator out of the way. Remember when I said I had to take these bolts off to get this part off here? Well, that was incorrect. It's like a double shroud. There's one against the radiator, and this is a secondary one. We still need to get it out of the way, but it wasn't necessary to get in there and skin your knuckles all up trying to get it off. So we're gonna go ahead and get the fan out of the way and get the rest of this shroud out of the way. Get it back. It for these bolts. I just replaced this fan clutch about a year and a half ago or so, so everything should come apart fairly easy on this. Oh, missed two washers. Now there's the fan, and next we'll go ahead and get this bracket out of the way. Always that phone while I'm trying to do something. That's going down. That one's going to be done by a wrench. And we got 3 here. Now at this point it's probably going to fall. You might want to hold it up a little bit. Alright, and that's the fan shroud. That was pretty painless, huh? There's the fan clutch. This will give me a chance to get in here and replace some stuff. I replaced this a couple years ago. This one's ready to go, needs a new belt. We'll just put all new belts on it. Probably do the water pump while I got it apart. And the next thing is going to be is to get this taken apart, get the fan clutch out of the way, and then get this cover off here. Alright, you know, I think that's going to be it for this video. So we'll catch you on the next time. See you soon.